Alright, so we've got our cake on our board. You're going to need a bag of icing with the side icer at the bottom. I'm using a 21-inch pastry bag, and then I just have all of my colors. So I'm going to need pink, white, brown, like a nude color, black, and you're also going to need blue, but I didn't put it on the video. But you're going to need blue for the eyes. So these are all the colors, and I hand mixed them all. If you don't want to do that, I'm sure you can go to your local grocery store and purchase some. But now let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start at about a 45-degree angle, and then I'm just going to gently put my side icer against the cake, and I'm just icing. So this is what it looks like. And then I actually decided to go along the top first. So I'm just going in a circular motion, turning my turntable. That's how you're going to get that perfect smooth coating. And then you're going to do the same thing all around the side of the cake. And this is how you're going to ice your cake. Feel free to check out some of my other videos to see more in depth how to ice a cake. So once you're finished, it should look something like this. And then you're going to take a little bench scrape. I got these from decopack.com, but you can also get them from Hobby Lobby. And you're just gently going to smooth away that icing. And I'm using a little glass container to wipe off the excess frosting. And that's how we're going to get that perfectly smooth cake layer. So now at an angle, I'm going to gently brush away the excess frosting, making sure that I wipe the scraper after every use, and then I'm just going to continue to do this until my cake is nice and smooth. So I'm using a wooden stencil to trace the outline of Travis Kelce's face. I just found a picture on Google. I'm not using any kind of stencil, and I'm just simply freehanding everything. So I'm just going to go in with the nude color. I'm using a number 5 tip on this bag, and then I'm just going to outline the face, and then I'm going to fill everything in. And then I'm going to use a small offset spatula to smooth out the icing once I've finished filling everything in. So this is what it looks like so far, and now I'm going to go in again with the wooden skewer, and now I'm just going to be piping in the rest of the details. So I'm just using that, I'm tracing the eyebrows, I'm going to do the nose, the mouth, the lips, everything. So now the same thing, I'm using a number 4 tip, and I'm just filling in the eyebrows. I filled in the hair. I'm gonna do the beard and then some small other details. And then you're just gonna continue to do this with your other colors. I'm just gonna be kind of using my small spatula to smooth out the little bits, but the eyebrows I wanted a little rough, so I kind of didn't smooth that all the way. So now I'm going to use my black piping bag. I'm using a number 3 to kind of outline his head and some features. And then for tiny features like his forehead wrinkles and like the nose and little frown lines, I'm going to be going in with a number 2. I try to get this as tiny as possible, but it is a little harder using a piping bag to get those very little fine details, but I try my best. And then I'm also going to be using my pink icing to pipe the lips, and then the white for the teeth, and then later I will be filling in the eyes with the blue. And yeah, this is what I can do for Travis Kelce, and I'm just testing my abilities. Alright, so here's the final product. It kind of looks like Travis Kelce. I do appreciate you guys, and thank you for watching this video, and let me know what you think.